Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. It's a baby bird. It's under a truck. Look. It's under the monster truck. Look at that one. Look at that one. Oh my god. Look at it. Its beak is moving. Oh my god. Wow, look at that, guys. That other one is not hatching there, but this one right here is. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that one right there. Looks like it's got the hiccups. Look at it. It's so cute. Is this one gonna hatch yet? Oh, it's so cute. That one's barely hatching. Anyway, guys. Look, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. What is it doing? I don't know. It's creepy. Anyway, guys, I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble by the mama bird, so I'm just gonna get out of here right now. Alright. So, well, that was pretty cute. I guess it was pretty cute. I don't know. They were pretty cute. Gotta say, pretty cute. Anyway, I have to go inside. Peace out, guys. See ya.